Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Are you ready for the abacus test?
Yes.
Okay, now I will see how many math you can solve within 2 minutes. Okay? 3, 2, 1, start. 1 plus 1,
2,
1 plus 3,
4,
1 plus 2,
3,
2 plus 2,
4,
2 plus 1,
3,
3 plus 1,
4,
5 plus 2,
6,
5 plus 1,
5 plus 1, 6,
4 plus 5,
9,
1 minus 1,
0,
2 minus 1,
1,
5 minus 5,
0,
4 minus 1,
3,
2 minus 2,
0,
8 minus 5,
minus 5, 3,
4 minus 2,
4, 2,
3 minus 3,
0,
9 minus 3,
6,
3 plus 1,
3 plus 1, 4,
2 plus 2,
4,
2 plus 1,
3,
1 plus 1,
2,
5 plus 1,
6,
6 plus 2,
6 plus 2, 8,
7 plus 1,
7 plus 1, 8,
6 plus 2,
6 plus 2, 8,
5 plus 2,
8,
5 plus
7,
5 plus 1 plus 1,
5 plus 1 plus 1, 8, 7,
7 plus 1 plus 1,
7 plus 1 plus 1, 9,
5 plus 2 plus 2,
5 plus 2 plus 2, 9,
2 plus 1 plus 1,
4,
6 plus 2 plus 1,
6 plus 2 plus 1, 8,
1 plus 2 plus 1,
1 plus 2 plus 1, 4,
5 plus 2 plus 2,
5 plus 2 plus 2, 9,
5 plus 3 plus 1,
5 plus 3 plus 1, 9,
1 plus 5 plus 1,
1 plus 5 plus 1, 7, 7,
4 minus 2,
4 minus 2, 2,
6 minus 1,
6 minus 1, 5,
7 minus 5,
7 minus 5, 2,
2 minus 1,
2 minus 1, 1,
2 minus 2,
0,
3 minus 2,
3 minus 2, 1,
8 minus 2,
8 minus 2, 6,
7 minus 6,
7 minus 6, 1,
8 minus 6,
8, 8 minus 6, 3,
stop. Okay, thank you. You have done 45 minutes within 2 minutes 15 seconds, and congratulations. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum